Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this handle. First, go to Edit, Preferences, under Add-ons, start searching for Extra, and we want Add Mesh Extra Objects. This will allow us to add a single vertex. Next, before we add the vertex, we want our 3D cursor to be where the handle is going to start. Now go to an object mode, Add Mesh, Single Vert, Add Single Vert, and in edit mode with vertex editing selected, we're going to tap E on the keyboard for extrude and start making the central part of the handle. Next, select the vertices that we want to bevel, and you can either go to the bevel icon or do Control-Shift-B. And you can see it's not editing live, so we do need to be on Affect Vertices. You can change the width here and the segments. Once you're happy with that, we need to convert this to a curve. So in Object Mode, we're going to go to Object, Convert, Curve. And over here at the sidebar, now we have a green curved icon. Under Geometry and Bevel, we're going to adjust the depth. And you can also increase the resolution just a little. Here we can do a shade smooth. And at this point, I would make a copy should you need to go back and adjust the depth if you wanted to recreate that. So in Object Mode, Shift-D. Next, we need to convert this to a mesh. So in Object Mode, go to Object, Convert, Mesh. And if we tab into Edit Mode, we can stretch this a little bit since it's not completely circular. So with the entire handle selected, I'm going to do a scale on the Y axis. And there's our handle. We can continue refining this if we go into edge editing. We can scale this. We can bevel these as needed. All right, that's looking much better. Also, I just added this plastic utility jug model into my Creative Market. And for a minimum of $6, you can download this from my website. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.